Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the Ghoul Trooper in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're gonna draw her eyes first. So we're just gonna draw in, curve it down. It's almost like an almond shape. And then we can make it the back right here a little bit thicker for eyelash. Okay, and then from here we can draw in our eyeball, so it's just gonna be in here. Curve, and then I'm gonna draw one circle. I'm gonna try to save some highlight, and I'm just gonna shade around it. Okay, so that's one eye, and let's move on to let's draw an eyebrow here. So right above the eye, just kind of go up and then slant it down. And then we're just gonna give it some thickness. Okay, and then from here, let's draw the other one. And this part's a little bit trickier because it's kind of behind the, just gonna have a strand of hair. So just come across, just draw a curve, and then just draw a little line like that for now. So it's gonna be the strand of the hair. So then right here, we're gonna continue the eye, come down and just stop there. And eyeball. I'm gonna draw a circle, leave some highlight. Let me shade that in real quick. Okay, and then the eyebrow is gonna be the same thing, just go up and then just give it some thickness. Okay, so from here, let's finish off this little strand here. So right above the eye right here, just kind of go up and then just kind of connect that. And then let's draw in another strand. So we're gonna come down and we're gonna give a little hook. Just come across. Okay, so before we draw the face, let's draw in the feature first. So for her nose, it's gonna be down here. We can draw this. Okay, so from here, let's draw in her mouth. So it's gonna be a little bit weird. So right in the middle here, just come down from her nose, just draw one line, and then we're gonna come up. This is gonna be her upper lip. Just kind of flare it over here, and then we're gonna curve it back for his lower lip, and we're gonna draw like a slight line there. That's actually the splitting her lips right there, right? So now to draw the other side, it's a little bit weird. So we can just kind of come out and draw shape like that, and then we're gonna add in the teeth. So we're gonna make it simple. We just kind of divide it up with some lines, and then from there she's got some other markings. So we just kind of come around the this one area here and just kind of give these little jaggedy shapes. All right, so from here, let's finish up the eye area. So here we're just gonna come down. Okay, just kind of hook it back up. Add another line there, and now let's finish up the face. So now we can come down. So right around there, start turning in. Okay, and then from here, we can finish off the other side as well. We're gonna come down, and we're just gonna pinch it into the chin. And she's got a little bit more marking. I'll just draw one more there, and she's got some here. Okay, so now let's finish off the rest of the head. So from here, just kind of come up. We're gonna draw her glasses first. So we're just gonna draw one curve all the way around, and then now we're gonna draw in the shades. So we're gonna go one, and then another one. Okay, and then for the glasses in between, draw a little curve. And then now we can draw in the strand. So we're gonna come out here. I'm gonna start all the way up here, just kind of connect it. So it's gonna be one long strand. And then let's finish off this strand over here. And then we'll go up from the side here. We're just gonna go all the way around the head. So just kind of curve up around the glasses and just kind of come down. All right, and we can add in some strands up here, just some lines just to show that it's hair. Okay, and then to finish it off, well, I draw her ear, so side right here, we'll just draw that, so that one's easy. Alright, so it's a little bit tricky face, but it's pretty cool looking though. Alright, so let's move on to the body. So for her neck, we're just gonna come down. And then we're gonna round it off for the collar. Shoulders, we're gonna go out. Come in on the side. And then we're gonna pinch it in all the way down to your waist. And then we're gonna close it off. And she's only wearing one belt, so we just draw one section. Okay, and then let's add in the detail, the buckle. And then 2 loops on the side. And then let's draw in, okay, let's go back up here. So she's got a little bit of collar, so we just gotta draw another curve around it. And then for the strap here on the side, we're gonna come down and just kind of curve out. So I come down and just kind of curve out slightly. And then for the chest area, we're gonna kind of try to continue with this curve and just kind of curve inward. Okay, and let's finish it off with the dog tags here. So this one's easy. We just draw 2 rectangles, put a little dot in there, and then we're gonna go around it. And then this looks like it's gonna go through 2. So I'm just drawing a string. So the string's gonna start behind this and just go up. Alright, so now let's draw her arm. So here's the armpit coming out, and then the shoulders, turn, come down, come down. We can have her hands on the side, so before we draw the lower arm, we're gonna draw in her fists right here. Okay, and then we're gonna give one section. This is actually her hand, her arm, I mean. And then this is gonna be a part of the glove. And then right here, we can make her thumb go up. So that's gonna be her thumb, and then we just kind of push it in that way. All right, and then once you have that, then all you have to do is just kind of connect this line. Just give a little curve there. And then from the elbow. All right, so let's draw the other side, and it's gonna be pretty much the same. So we have the armpit coming out here, and then a curve. Then we're gonna go out. Same thing here, out. Okay, you can use the other side as a reference so you know how far down to go. And then we're gonna draw her glove right here. I give one section, and then another one slightly bigger. This is part of her glove. And then now all I have to do is just kind of connect this curve, elbow, curve in, and part of the glove, and then the panel here. And then the same thing on her thumb, so we can come up, just close it out. Okay, so let's move on down to her legs. So right here in the middle, we come down, make a little mark, and then we're gonna continue this curve. We're gonna come down and just curve back in, curve, and then we're gonna close it. Now we're gonna draw in a square for armor, and then in here we'll draw a little rectangle, and then from corner to corner we'll just draw a line. Alright, so let's draw the other side first before we go down any further. So here we're gonna continue this line, same thing, come down, and then she doesn't have a knee pad here, so this is gonna be her knee, so we're just gonna draw just like 2 little brackets like this. Okay, and then we're gonna let's continue with this one first then. Okay, so we're gonna flare it out, close it off, and now her boot. Pinch it in and just kind of close it off, and then we'll draw in the dome shape. Have it go out more on this side. Close it off, and then a little bit so, and we can add in some detail. Okay, so let's move on to the other side. So this one's got the armor. So flare it out, pinch it in, close it off, dome shape, close it, So, and then add some lines for detail. And then she's got some straps here, so we're gonna draw 1 and 2. And then just gonna continue this line here for the armor. Just kind of pinch it in. Alright, and on this side she's got the laces, so we gotta draw in. Just give a two little curves, and then we're gonna add in some lines for the laces. We'll just keep that simple, and then she's got 2 straps here, so this one's easy. We're just gonna draw 1 and 2. And that is it for this Ghoul Trooper. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.